Hi, I'm Aishwarya and welcome back to our channel. We are making Paneer Podi Fry on Upliance today. So I will tell you a little about what podi is.
Different versions of pudi are popular in different parts of India. In Andhra, you would have heard of pappu pudi. In Karnataka, the most famous version is chutney pudi. In Tamil Nadu, it's called morga pudi.
And you have similar variations of podi in like different parts of India. What is beautiful about this recipe is that instead of pudi, you can substitute it with any spice that you want to. So let's start the recipe. So as you can see, this is a recipe note about what podi is. So we'll be adding onion, coriander, green chili and garlic into the jar. This is the aromatics and forms the base of the recipe. Now we'll be cutting it. Okay, now you can see that the aromatics are cut. We will move to the next step now, which is the sorting of aromatics. So we are adding ghee. You can use any kind of fat here. Ghee just makes it more flavorful, brings out the flavors of podi a little better. But you can use, if you're on diet, if you want to, eat healthy, then you can use olive oil, you can use rice bran oil. And now we'll add all these spices. I'm not adding curry leaves here because the pudi that I'm using today already has a bit of curry leaves. So we'll decide to skip that. Alright, now we'll go to the next step, which is sauteing aromatics. So a saute aromatics step is done. Now we'll be adding pudi, which is the main star of this recipe. I go a little overboard when I'm adding this because this is really good. It has tamarind, jaggery, chana dal, peanuts, curry leaves, the right kind of spices to make your paneer more flavorful and fragrant. Our paneer podi fry is done. So you can see this is more like a dry dish, right? It is great for if you want to make sandwiches, you can make sandwiches with this. You can also eat this with chapati or make rolls out of it. For more recipe related videos, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.